So hi everyone, welcome to chair yoga. My name is Tatis Cervantes-Aiken. We're going to be using this plate as a prop, and we are going to be working with the arms and shoulders. So we're going to start by holding the plate on the right hand, and we're going to bring it to the back and then to the front. And make sure that you have space between your back and the chair, okay? So inhale, bring the plate back and to the front. Back and front, back and front. Now we're going to reverse. Bring it to the back, to the front, back and front. And notice how we are opening the chest and moving the arms and shoulders in a very different way. And one more time, and come to the front. Now I'm going to ask you to hold the plate right here and bring your head down. Just look at your plate. And now, just for a moment, imagine that you're looking at your beautiful smartphone or iPad, and just think about the hours a day or a week or a month that we spend looking at this beautiful iPhone. So now, I'm going to ask you to bring one of your hands, place it in your forehead, and then bring your head up with your hand, and then release your hand. And just feel if you felt the weight of your head when you were lifting your head. Let's do it again. Bring your head down. And with one of your hands, pull your head up and bring it down. Did it feel heavy? Yes? Well, that means that the head is actually really heavy. It weighs between 10 and 11 pounds. So you can imagine, given the hours that we spend looking down, it takes a toll on the neck. So I'm going to invite you to change or be aware of two things. When you're looking at your phone, make sure that you are resting your back, and also bring your phone up to eye level. And that way you protect your neck, and that's a good thing to change. Nowadays, especially for young people, spend hours looking down is creating a big issue on the neck called tech neck. So I want you to please remember to bring your head up and improve your posture when you're looking at your phone. Okay? Thank you.